Alright guys, Tony Hayes here, and I've got another brand new checklist here for you today, and this one is on-page SEO checklist, ranking factors and tips. Now what I've done to be able to create this checklist is I have gone around a lot of blog post tutorials, other people's checklists and YouTube videos to be able to go and pick out the very best tips that are relevant for today. And even better is that because I built this using my Lead Blaster app, which works via API, I can update anything in the Lead Blaster app so that it will appear in this checklist in real time. So this is an evergreen interactive checklist that you can enable, disable whenever you want. But this has got some real cool SEO tips for on-page SEO. Now you want to be able to do on-page SEO properly because it's going to help you to tell Google what your website and what your content is about. It's going to help you to get free organic traffic. It's going to take you less promotion to be able to get traffic to your content, and also it's one of the best ways that we can use to be able to get warm traffic to come back to our future content as well. Because if you've got your on-page SEO right and you have formatted your content properly and you've got some calls to action, etc. as well, which is all really part of on-page SEO today, because we need to convert visitors into email list subscribers, into retargeting audiences, etc., so that we can reach them again when we got more content later, because that warm traffic will actually have higher dwell time, will have more positive user behavior signals actually on your content, like interacting, commenting, etc., as well. Okay, so you want that warm traffic. That is all part of on-page SEO today. So you've got some really cool powerful ninja tips in here that is created from some top SEO experts like Neil Patel, Backlinko, I think we've got HubSpot, we've got Search Engine Land or Search Engine Journal, I can't remember which one. There's a whole bunch of really well known bloggers that I've basically taken some tips from them, the very best ones, and I put them in here. Okay, so what I will do as well, I'll create another section over the next day or two and put in the citations where I got some tips from, so that we can give those people some credit as well, because I didn't take all of the tips, I took the ones I thought were best and I fit it in here in different sections. So we got sections here for your title optimization tips. I've even put formulas for copywriting so that you can hook people in with the start of your first paragraph, etc. Now this is actually good for non-WordPress SEO content as well. So it's not just for WordPress, okay? You can use this for non-WordPress SEO as well. So if you're doing things like a medium.com blog post, which can rank often without any backlinks, but you just want to get the on-page SEO tips right, this is perfect for that as well, okay? Or Chrome extensions, pages like we do for our checklist, they rank very well, they rank very easily, but there's still some formulas that we need to follow, and I've actually put in here a section for Chrome Store extension on-page SEO tips as well. So this is quite a comprehensive checklist that I put together for the on-page SEO stuff, but it's an evergreen project, okay? So it will be updated regularly, and it will be updated in real time. If you got some suggestions and things that you think really should be in here, just let me know and we can put it in here. If we agree and think it's a great idea, then we'll put it in here and you will see it updated within a few minutes once we have got that information over to me. Okay, so watch out for some new checklists that are coming up as well over the next 3 or 4 days. I've started to do some for affiliate marketing hacks. Okay, so we've got something like 9 to 9 tactics for affiliate marketing, to be able to do affiliate marketing strategies like a professional, so that you can increase your rank, you can increase your commissions and sales, etc. I've got another one about email list building. I've got another one for 30-day email list building challenge as well. Apart from the actual email list building hacks, I've got another one, 30-day challenge for email list building, and there's about 4 or 5 actually coming up over the next few days. Okay, so keep an eye out for them, and you'll be able to get them immediately if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you like these kind of checklists, subscribe to the channel. You will never miss any checklist that is released, and we are sort of ramping them up now. So we're doing many different kinds, like how to make money from ClickBank and those kind of things, how to make money from YouTube, etc. as well. So we're getting some expert tips collecting them, curating them, putting them into these checklists, putting the very best ones into these checklists. And these are interactive tools that can be updated in real time as well. So they're evergreen projects. All of them are evergreen projects that you can switch on and switch off. And every time you switch on, there's probably some updates in there because we're working on them constantly as well. Okay, thank you for watching.